Hey guys, so what I have right here is the Attack Shark X85. It is a mechanical keyboard, has linear switches, and it sounds quite good. So let me go ahead and get it unboxed here. There you go. See the instructions. Move that out of the way. Here it is. That'll be fine. So you can see here, got a nice purple to like a darker purple color scheme. You can see it has a little, volume control knob there. It's a bit darker and it's a bit darker in real life, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Let me go ahead and get the box out of the way. Here you go. You can see on the back side here, see it has two little angles for switches for the feet. So you have them at a different height. So let me show you all how it sounds. Sounds quite good. Here's the scroll wheel. So yeah. Let me see if I can get camera set up so I can get some, let me show y'all. You can see here the keys are actually on the side, which I think is quite cool. Yeah, let me go ahead and get camera set up real quick. Actually, right here is the RGB. See letterings on the side a bit better. So with FN and this button, you can change which RGB setting it's on. But this one is only red because it's charging. But you can see here, there's quite a bit. I'm not gonna show you all of them in detail. Yeah. So here is typing. Here. Sounds quite good. Anything up? But yeah, I sure hope you guys enjoyed that. And yeah, just see again here. If I can get it out, there you go. And see the rubber, there's rubber at the bottom, which is nice. So yeah, I sure hope you guys enjoyed that. And yeah, see you guys next time. Remember, you guys matter, and stay safe.